Let's talk about how to create a Paydotcom product as a vendor. I'm going to show you three things: how to add a product, how to create a Paydotcom payment link or button, and how to add that Paydotcom payment link or button to your sales page. So the first thing I want to do is go to Paydotcom and go ahead and log in if you haven't logged in. Right now I'm logged in. The next thing you want to do is go to the My Product section. Then go ahead and click on Create a New Product. And you want to name the product. And in this case, I'm going to name it Video Marketing Video Series with Resale Rights. And with a description, you can add a description if you like. And the price point, we're going to make it $37. This is not a subscription, so I can skip this material here, and I can skip all this. You need to go ahead and link to your sales page URL. So in this case, I had an index.pdc.html file. Now in real life, you would just link to the index.html file. I linked it to cbsitevault.com/test/index.pdc.html. Then of course you have your thank you page URL. So I have the cbsitevault.com/test/ that page. I'm going to uncheck this because I don't need to gather the extra personal information from my buyer. I actually want to make it as simple as possible. Once I've done that, click on Save and proceed to the next step. Now at this location, you want to set your commissions. If you want to have an affiliate program, then you can. And of course, with a resale rights product, you need to check whether you can or can't. Most of the time you can if you have the rights to resell the product. But don't quote me on that. Now, here's where you can pay your affiliates. You can either do percentage amounts or flat amounts. Percentage, you can do 50%, and it'll be 50% and it'll calculate that amount. Flat amount is when you want to give people, let's say for example, if they sell $100 worth and you want to give them $50. You would click flat amount. So click percentage, click add, and you want to enter your PayPal email here and click on save and go to step 3. This is the page where you can change your order page look and feel. In this case, I'm not actually going to do any of that. I just want to click on save and I'm done. The next thing you want to do is get your button code, because that's actually what we're going to add to this sales page. You can either add the button to the page if you want, or if you want to get the link, you'll notice that it starts with https : this right here, between the quotations. So I'm going to cut that and I'm going to go to my index.pdc.html file and open it up with NVU. And scroll all the way to the bottom. And since I want to use this button here, I don't want to use the Pay.com button. I'll click on this, click on link, and then change the link to the Pay.com link here, press OK, click on save, and that's it.